Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Dramatic Days. So as you know, very recently CBSE has released the sample OMR sheet for the board exam of class 10 and 12. So today we'll be discussing on the circular that CBSE has already provided to us. So this is the sample OMR sheet. Now in the OMR sheet all the details of the students will be already filled beforehand. So you don't need to write down the roll number and everything. All the details of the student will be mentioned here. And the OMR number will also be provided here. So first thing, you have to write the question paper code. And how do you get the question paper code? It will be mentioned in your subject question paper. So first thing you will be writing is the question paper code in this box. Next thing, everything will be filled up using the black or blue pen. Now using pencil is strictly prohibited. So if you use pencil, your OMR sheet will not be checked. Okay. Now there are the correct way of circling is given here. You have to circle it very properly so that there should not be any white space remaining this way. And now see, there are total 60 questions. Now for every subject there will not be 60 questions. Now for few subject there will be 50 question. Out of 50 you have to attempt any 40. Few subject there will be 60 question. Out of that you have to attempt any 50. Now in section wise the marking will be on. Suppose for some subject in section A there are 20 questions, and out of the 20 question you have to attain any 16. So it will be, suppose you are answering all the 20 questions up to this, but unluckily you got some of the questions wrong. Suppose your 15 question is wrong but your 17 question is right. So in all, suppose out of 1 to 20 you got total 16 questions right, including the 17th one. So CBSE will count only first 16. That is, if you have attempted some extra question, then also they will only check the first 16 attempted answer. They will not check the 16 correct answer. So you have to circle it very properly. This is the first point. Next, suppose you are answering question number 1 and you are sure that option A is the correct one. So, when you are very much sure, you will circle in the option A. Okay, so in response column, just circle in option A. Now, after circling, if you are very much confident that your response is correct, in this star box, you will write A. That is, A is the correct option. Now this is a separate box. Now for confident answer, if you know the answer is, now for suppose for second question a candidate first think that B is the correct option, right? And then again when he is solving the paper once again, then he thought that C is the correct option. So in this case what you have to do, you have to write down the correct option only. Suppose now you are thinking C is the correct option, you will write down the correct option. So whatever is written in the box, that will be assumed as the correct answer. So the examiner will not take the circling thing, they will take the box answer as the correct one. One more thing, suppose you know that for question number 3 D is the correct option and you are not circling anything. Please don't do that. You have to, when you are very much confident about the answer, darken the circle first. This is the first thing you have to do, and then when you are very much sure, you will just write down the answer number in the box, option number in the box. So the box is provided only when you need to change the answer, because you don't need to cut, you cannot cut the box. आप यहाँ पे अगर कुछ गलत लिखते हो, you cannot cut in the box, but यहाँ पे अगर कोई option आपने गलत लिखा है, then you can change your answer in the box. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बस बॉक्स फिल करना है, आपको सर्किल नहीं करना है. नहीं, आपको सर्किल भी करना है, बॉक्स को भी फिल करना है, but only for when you have doubt, when you don't know that your answer is wrong, your circling is wrong, then to change your answer you can put the right answer in the box. तो पहले आपको सर्किल करना है, then you have to go for the box. The next point is, suppose you know that for question number 4 B is the correct option. You circled in the response column, but you didn't write anything in the box, then CBSE will consider the question number 4 as unattempted question. So make sure if you are circling the box, your answer is clear, then you have to write down the option in the box also, otherwise it will be not treated as attempted answer. The next point is, suppose in question number 5, you know the answer is C. You have written C in the box, but you did not fill the circle. Then it will be considered as an attempted question. You will get full marks. But ध्यान रखना, ये हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए नहीं होगा. You have to circle it, then you have to write down the answer in the box. हर एक क्वेश्चन में आप बस बॉक्स में आंसर लिख दोगे and you will not circle the answer, that will be not right. So आपको दोनों ही करना है, but for few cases by chance आपने अगर circle miss कर दिया, then also you can get marks. Now let's come to the last column, the hashtag column. So this column is there. Suppose you are answering question number 1 and आपने आंसर कर लिया, this is the correct option is A, आपने बॉक्स में भी लिख दिया. बट वंस यू हैव डन ऑल द क्वेश्चन, आपको सपोज 20 क्वेश्चन तक ही करना था इन सेक्शन ए, आपने पूरा 20 क्वेश्चन कर लिया है. नाउ ऑब्वियसली ओनली द फर्स्ट फ्यू 16 क्वेश्चन विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज द राइट वन. तो उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपको अगर लगता है कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की आंसर रॉन्ग है, देन यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट. आपको ऐसे कट नहीं करना है. You will just circle the question number 1 in the hashtag column, and once you circle in the hashtag column, this question will be considered as an unattempted question. तो या ये question CBSE लेंगे ही नहीं, so they will not check question number 1, they will check from the next question. तो अगर लगता है आपने extra option attempt कर लिया है, extra question attempt कर लिया है और आपको कंफर्म हो गया है कि आपका ये आंसर सही नहीं है, then you don't need to cut everything. तो आपको अगर इसको नेग्लेक्ट करना है, यू विल जस्ट सर्कल इन द हैशटैग कॉलम. बट सर्किल आप ध्यान से करना हैशटैग कॉलम में, बिकॉज वंस यू सर्किल दिस कॉलम दैट मीन्स दैट क्वेश्चन विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अनअटेम्प्टेड क्वेश्चन. तो ध्यान से आपको सर्किल करना होगा. नाउ सपोज फॉर ऑल द क्वेश्चन you left the responses blank, you left the box as blank, you left the hashtag column as blank. So if everything is blank, then it will be considered as an unattempted question. So अगर कोई question आपने attempt नहीं किया है, so अगर आपने पूरा खाली छोड़ दिया है, so it will be considered as an unattempted question. But अगर आपने, फिर से मैं दोहराती हूँ, अगर आपने इसमें circle किया है, you are not writing anything in the box, it will be considered as unattempted question. बॉक्स में अगर नहीं लिखते हो तो आपका ये क्वेश्चन आंसर माना नहीं जाएगा. एंड वंस यू सर्किल इन द हैशटैग कॉलम, दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अनअटेम्प्टेड क्वेश्चन. तो हैशटैग कॉलम में आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से सर्किल करना होगा. सो आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए थोड़ा फ़ायदेमंद होगा. आई विल गिव यू द सैम्पल OMR sheet PDF in this form in the download link. You can download it and you can take the printout and practice in this OMR sheet also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.